opposition party oppose a national education policy. Unfortunately, in today's scenario, opposition party should behave more responsibly in their interpretation, their narrative. With full responsibility, I can see you have rightly mentioned about the late legendary personality of our country, late Kasturi Ranganji. Prime Minister Narendra Modi give responsibility to Dr. Kasturi Rangan to create a national consensus. With full responsibility, I can say, after formation of our constitution, during our constituent assembly, there was a huge debate, prolonged debate for all aspects of our governance model, of our day-to-day functions. I think after constitution framing, when Kasturi Ranganji presided over the national education policy consultancy, he traveled all part of country. There is huge stakeholder consultation with different stakeholders, students, parents, civil society, governments, policymaker, financial sector, industry, social scientists. They talked everybody. They're all in record. Religious body, philanthropic body. They talk to everybody. So I am confident today because there is a consensus. Those who are opposing it for opposition's sake, it is purely political. In their own states, almost all states, with full responsibility, I can say almost we're not fixed about the words. We're fixed about the spirit of the national education policy. Almost all states. For example, I can say one example related to another query of yours: language. National education policy is recommending for learning and teaching in the preparatory and foundational stage and early stage in class 1 to preferably class 8 in mother tongue. This is the recommendation of national education policy. Do you think there is any second opinion in this country by any opposition party, whether it is Tamil Nadu, whether it is West Bengal, whether it is Karnataka, whether it is in Himachal Pradesh? Everybody is supporting learning and teaching in mother tongue in the early stage. This is the recommendation of national education policy. Then who is opposing? What is their opposition? Their opposition is political. Unfortunately, this should not even happen. It is they're doing it. Society is looking into all these things. Society has aspiration beyond this kind of political narratives. I'm coming back from Tamil Nadu. Yesterday night only during 2 days, I'm coming out from Tamil Nadu. I've been to Tenkasi, the remotest part of Tamil Nadu, in the foothill of Western Ghat. I met villagers, I met government school students in that remote part. I'm confident I can see the vibration of national education policy in their schools, in their eyes, in their aspiration. So whatever may say anything in anywhere, I'm confident there is a consensus to implement national education policy. And as you said, few nitty-gritty of functioning funds you said about Indian knowledge system. My understanding of Indian knowledge system, in Tamil Nadu it is Siddha, in rest of the India it is Ayurveda. The recommendations are same. Today when I met a very big person, Indian origin person who lives in Europe, I asked him, how do you manage yourself? He said, in my brunch, I take a ball of turmeric and black coffee. So turmeric is different from Tamil Nadu, turmeric is different from Assam, turmeric is different from Punjab, turmeric is different in Odisha or in Delhi. Turmeric is turmeric, it's medicine value. Every household in India, whether you go to any part of India, in sign language, today is the day of International Sign Language. In sign language, greetings may vary with words, but there is a similarity in all parts of country. This is Indian knowledge system. Few people have a phobia towards Bharat, phobia towards India, phobia towards Indian idea, Bharatiya idea. For that Western thought, for opposition sake they are opposing. They are microscopic minority. Country has moved out of this kind of narrative.